Right on the equator, crisscrossed by the Andes mountain range, Ecuador enjoys a privileged location on this planet. In this country, 4 different worlds live together. The Andes Mountains, the green Pacific coast, the Amazon Basin, and the Galapagos Islands. Ecuador has more animal and plant species per square kilometer than any other country in the world. One-fifth of Ecuador's territory is protected areas, and Sangay and Galapagos National Parks are the world's natural heritage. In these diverse sites, our people have developed with an ancient indigenous tradition blended with the blood and essence of Spain. Quito, the first city to be declared cultural heritage of humankind, showcases its splendid colonial past alongside a modern, cosmopolitan present. Cuenca, also heritage of humanity, keeps our Spanish legacy vibrantly alive in its streets, churches and plaza squares. And Guayaquil, a vigorous metropolis, combines its harbor atmosphere with cutting-edge urban development. In Ecuador, over a dozen different cultures live side by side, expressing their wealth in colorful handicrafts, the good cheer of fall culture festivals, markets, and a passion for living amidst this bountiful land and sea. In each of its 4 worlds, life at its purest, just waiting to be discovered. In this privileged country, you can travel in a matter of hours from the green Pacific coastline to the Amazon rainforest, crossing over the imposing Andean snow-capped summits. Ecuador is a call to adventure, to living cultural traditions, to discover life at its purest.
There's nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say, but you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. There's nothing you can make that can't be made. Nothing you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need. There's nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. Nowhere you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's easy. Like nowhere else, all in one place, so close.